How to log in to SmarterMail. To log into SmarterMail, you need to open a browser and go to the URL provided by your webmail administrator. First, enter your email address. Next, select the language you would like to use for this session in the drop-down selector. Now select the password field and enter the password provided by your webmail administrator. Checkmark the Remember Me checkbox if you want to log in automatically the next time. Next, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you can view your My Today page, which contains a summary of calendar, unread messages, RSS items, and disk space limits. Click the Logout button to exit the application. You now know how to log into SmarterMail.